Question 4 over here, we are seeing two changes in this picture. From line 1 to line 2, we are seeing that you are seeing a greater mass drop. And the mass drop comes about from more hydrogen gas form. Okay, because the reaction was HCl plus iron to give you FeCl2 plus hydrogen gas. So we are seeing more hydrogen gas, so more mass decrease. The mass decrease for 1 is so much, but whereas the mass decrease for 2 is so much. So we're seeing a greater decrease. And besides that, we are also seeing a much steeper graph at the start. So we are also seeing a greater rate. So we are seeing a greater rate and a greater yield. So which of the change will give us a greater rate and a greater yield? We will get it if we have a more concentrated HCl. So when we have a more concentrated HCl, the higher concentration leads to a greater rate. And with a more concentrated HCl, but we are keeping the volume as the same, so the number of moles will be the same. The number of moles will increase. So the number of moles of HCl increases. And HCl here is the limiting reagent. So we have more limiting reagent, therefore we will have more product. Okay, how do we know that HCl is a limiting reagent? Because the question says excess iron. Okay, so the one that will give us line 2, which is a greater yield and a greater rate, is B, using same volume but a more concentrated HCl solution.